Ready? Start. The situation now is that the institution is in the hands of an official receiver. He has done good work, but obviously at the present moment, because he is only an honorary person looking after the institution, he cannot give much time, and the institution had not been doing the work for which it was established several years back. Various efforts have been made to bring about some kind of a settlement, but all these efforts have failed. Ultimately, the Uttar Pradesh government had to intervene and pass the Act of 1956. This Act was also in the nature of an interim measure, but the Act of the UP government was challenged in the High Court at Allahabad, and it was declared ultra vires, mainly on the ground that it created a corporation with objects not confined to one state, and the court said that legislation could be passed only by parliament. We have been receiving various representations from people who are interested in the welfare of this institution and the promotion of Hindi, and the government have therefore thought it proper to declare this institution as an institution of national importance, and to rescue the institution which has unfortunately fallen into evil days. This is the main purpose for which this bill has been brought forward. Para. The special features of this bill are these. We are proposing to appoint a governing body which will consist of a chairman, a secretary, and 13 other members, all to be appointed by the central government. But this will only be an interim measure. This bill empowers the government body to make, with the approval of the central government, the rules of the Sammelan. It will also set up a properly constituted government body which will take charge of the institution in course of time. Para. The House will note that in clause 12 of the bill, the governing body has been empowered to make, with the approval of the central government, rules of the Sammelan in respect of matters relating to membership, including the qualifications and disqualifications for membership of the Sammelan, the powers and functions of the governing body, the conduct of election for the constitution of the governing body, and the decisions on doubt and disputes at or in connection with these elections. It is also proposed that the accounts of this institution should be audited by a chartered accountant. The government of India have a certain responsibility in the promotion of Hindi, and the House is aware that the government have taken various measures to promote Hindi throughout the country during the last several years.